In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reload and manage links in Revit. If you collaborate with multiple models or coordinate with consultants, keeping your links up to date is essential for accuracy. Whether it's a Revit model, a CAD background, a point cloud, or an image, the process to refresh them is quick once you know where to look and what each option does. Start by heading to the Manage tab on the ribbon. This is the central hub for project-wide settings, and all link-related tools live here, so it's the place to go whenever you need to work with external files connected to your project. From here, click Manage Links. That opens a dialog that lists every linked Revit model, CAD file, point cloud, and image currently referenced in your project. You'll notice tabs or categories that help you filter by type, and columns that display each link's status, path, and type. The status lets you know if a link is loaded, missing, or out of date. The path shows exactly where Revit is looking for that file, which is important if files are stored on a server or in a cloud workspace. Next, select the link you want to reload. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct item by reviewing its type and path. This is especially helpful if you work with multiple versions of the same model or have similarly named files. Selecting an item here doesn't change your project yet, it just prepares the action. When you're ready, click Reload. Revit will refresh the selected link using the same file path it had before. If the linked file has been updated by a teammate or consultant, those changes will now appear in your project. If there's nothing new, the link will simply confirm as current. This is the fastest way to sync your model with the most recent external changes without altering how the link is referenced. If the linked file was moved or renamed, use Reload From instead. This option lets you browse to a new folder or an updated file, then re-establish the connection. It's ideal when your team reorganizes project folders, when you receive a revised model with a new file name, or when you're switching to a coordinated version. Be sure to choose the correct file so you maintain consistent coordinates and graphics. When you're done, click OK to close the dialog. Your project now uses the refreshed link, and you should see updated content reflected in views that display it. That's all there is to reliably keeping your links current in Revit.